Siser is doing big things these days. They have 4 new colors of their Siser Brick 600. It is really, really thick. They have citrus and orange soda and gray and Texas orange. And I'm going to use all 4 of them in a tutorial today. Let's get started. It's Romeo Wednesday. Hello everyone and welcome to Crafting with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to be using 4 of the new colors. There are only 4 new colors of Siser Brick 600. I'm going to be placing them on a bag. Don't worry if you are a Cricut user. I do have a tutorial on how to use Siser Brick. I made this shirt last year in August, and it just says back to the 80s, and it kind of lets you see just how thick the brick really is. Siser Brick is a very, very thick vinyl, and I really like it because it seems so sturdy. The only thing that scares me about brick vinyl is that it is a cold peel, and I'm always afraid of a cold peel. I feel like I'm just gonna peel it right off. But anyway, I am going to take you step by step through this process. We're going to make a teacher bag because before we know it, school will be starting back. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week. Now, without further ado, let's look at the materials and dive right in to Leonardo Design Studio. The materials I'm using for this project include, of course, my Siser Romeo, it's the star of the show. I'll be using the 4 new colors, the Siser Brick 600 in citrus, orange soda, Texas orange, and gray. I also will be using this bag. I purchased this bag from Michael's. I'll make sure it's linked below the video. I did purchase them in bulk. I'll use my Siser weeder and a Siser mat. I also want to note that there are a lot of different colors of Siser Brick. As you can see right here on the left, I have red, I have some of the neon colors. These are the colors that I currently know of, and you can get all of these colors from Atlanta Vinyl. I will make sure the link for the colors or for my link for Atlanta Vinyl is below the video. I do have a discount code and it is Delonda. I will be pressing with my heat press that's back there, my 16 by 20 auto open wallet press that I purchased from Heat Transfer Warehouse, and the image or the file that I'm using was downloaded from designbundles.net. Now let's head over to the computer and into Leonardo Design Studio. I am on the designbundles.net website. I am a Plus member. I'm a basic member, and I just did a search for teacher bag, and I wanted to see what came up. Now, I really wanted to use a file that would allow me to use all of the colors, all of the new colors. I want to put all of the new colors on one bag. And the one that I found that I really, really like is on page 2. And it's this one right here, Coffee, Teach, Sleep, Repeat. And I'm going to click download now again. And I'll get this downloaded and then extracted, and I'll also get it uploaded into Leonardo Design Studio. I am in Leonardo Design Studio, and what I did was clicked on import, and I navigated to where I have the file extracted. I uploaded the Coffee, Teach, Sleep, Repeat as editable artwork. And because the size of my bag, the width is 13.5 by 13.5, I knew I had a lot of space to resize the file as big as I wanted to, but I also wanted to keep the proportions locked. So I kind of played around with the size until I got it where I wanted, and then I ungrouped I went to ungroup the paths, and then I changed each of the colors to match the colors of the Siser Brick that I was planning to use. Once I changed the colors, it was time to go ahead and click Send Design. When I got to the next screen, I made sure to mirror all 4 layers, and I also turned on the auto weeder box. Everything I'll do from here will be back on the camera. According to the instructions, the Siser brick should be cut with a 45 or 60-degree blade with a force between 25 and 37 with an offset of 250 and a speed of 10. So I'm going to set my speed to 10 and I'm going to try a force of 25, and I will just do a quick test cut before I send my design. So since the sticker is right here, I'll just do my test cut in that same spot. So I'll get this inserted. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. Let's see how it cut. Okay, kinda good. It did not do well. I'm gonna increase the force. 25 was not good enough. Increase my force to 30 and I still have a cut speed of 10. Let's see. Of 30 and a cut speed of 10. I like it. I cut all of the Siser brick with a speed of 10 and a force of 30. All right, I have all of my vinyl cut, and since I added a weed box, an auto weed box, I'll just cut around the box so I can start to get my vinyl weeded and placed on the bag. So that weed box is a game changer. So I cut away the vinyl and then I started to get the Siser Brick 600 weeded. Okay, I have all of my vinyl weeded. Coffee, teach, sleep. Sleep is looking a little weird. And repeat. And what I'll do first is go over to the heat press and pre-press my bag. This bag is 13.5 by 13.5. And it is 100% polyester. According to the application instructions, it should be pressed on 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds with medium pressure. So you can definitely use a Cricut Easy Press if you have one. It doesn't say to pre-press, but it's a good habit to get into pre-pressing. So definitely going to pre-press this. And while I'm over there, I'll go ahead and get these placed down. It doesn't say anything about Teflon or parchment paper. So since it doesn't say that, I'm not going to use that. All right, it does say that this should not be layered. So I would not layer this on top of any other vinyl. So what I'm doing right now is trying my best to be able to press all 4 layers of the Siser brick at one time and not have to press one, then press, then press. I ended up not being able to do it even after I cut very, very close to the vinyl, like I cut the backing away. I was still not able to press all 4 layers. I had to press 2 and then press the second 2. So the top 2 layers, the coffee teach, got pressed twice. But it's fine. Everything is fine. Okay, I'm nervous about this part, but we'll see. So the brick has completely cooled down and I'm going to start to peel it back. I'll peel the first 2 layers because I pressed those twice. It's looking really, really good. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Now it's making me wonder if I should have pressed the other two twice. Okay. You want to give me a little bit of drama? Oh my goodness. Look at how cute this is. I love it. I know any teacher would love this. I love the new colors. I wish you could really just see it and feel it for yourself. But kind of see it and feel it through the camera. It's so good. Just trust me. It's soft. It's thick. I know it's not going anywhere. And this is perfect for any teacher. And if I was a teacher, I would probably personalize it by adding my name to the other side. But I just love this so much. Hopefully you have found this helpful. Remember, Siser Brick comes in a lot of different colors and Atlanta Vinyl has all of them. My link and my discount code is below this video if you want to check them out. If you have enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something, make sure to go ahead and like the video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye. Look at it one more time before we go. So good. Bye.